Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to find the pair of numbers with the maximum product in a list. To find the maximum product in a list, we need to find the two largest numbers in our list, because if they are multiplied with each other, they are going to produce the maximum product. So we need to look for the two largest number in the list. So this is my list. I'm calling this function max product pair, and it is going to do the work for me. I'm passing as argument this numbers list. When I'm passing it, I'm using the set function to convert it to a set to remove duplicates. Then I'm using this sorted function in order to sort it in ascending order, and it is assigned to unique numbers. Then when I print unique numbers, just for better understanding, we see that the unique numbers set here is sorted in ascending order, and the maximum numbers in this set for us are 10 and 20. So if 10 is multiplied by 20, it is going to produce the maximum product in our list. So if 10 is multiplied by 3, it is lower than 10 multiplied by 20. Any numbers that are in this list, if they are being multiplied with each other, are lower than the product of 10 multiplied by 20, because these are the largest numbers in our set. And to access these two numbers, we initialize two variables called max1 and max2. To access the last element of this set, I type down the name of it, and then using the -1 index to access the last element from the right, and then -2 here to initialize it to a second variable called max2. And then finally, I'm returning these two variables. So when I run the code, we see that the pair with maximum product is 20 and 10. So these two numbers, if being multiplied to each other, they are going to produce the maximum product in our list. Thank you for watching.